Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you guys to my channel again, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can create this particular powerful professional logo using your rectangle tools in corelDRAW. But before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about corel tutorial you get notified. And lastly, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can create this particular powerful professional logo design in corelDRAW. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to select all these and take them for one side. So we start afresh. Okay, first thing first, you have to come to your tools bar right here and make sure you select your rectangle tools. So having selected your rectangle tools, make sure you press down Ctrl key and drag. So this allows you to create a perfect rectangle. Once you are able to create a perfect rectangle, press P to centralize your rectangle. It makes that you want this particular rectangle to be at the center point of the page. Next step you have to take is to come to the edge of this particular shape right here, drag inside this way, and press Ctrl key down. Press Shift key and drag inside this way, and then once you are able to satisfy, and then you replace with your right click, or better still, you can select the shape and then go to Home tab right here, go to Edit and make a copy, and go back to Edit again and make a paste, or press Ctrl V on your keyboard. Then from there, you can press Shift key on your keyboard and drag inside based on the size and the shape you would like to have. Things like this. Okay, so next thing you have to do is to come to the original shape. When you select the original shape, go back to your shape tools, select your shape tools. So when you select your shape tools, you have to come to the edge of the shape tools and drag inward. So you can make it 150 pixels in the angle. Okay, so once you are able to satisfy this, you are good to go. Next step you have to take is to select the original shape. So when you select that, you have to press down Ctrl key and drag in with your right click and make sure it snaps to the edge of this circle like this. So once you want to release, it allows you to copy here, okay, and make sure it snaps to the rectangle at the midpoint. Okay, next thing you have to do here is to make sure you go back to your toolbar, select your pen tools. So when you select your pen tool, and also make sure that your pen tool, press Shift key and make it in a straight perfect pen tools. Next thing you have to do is to let us zoom out, and you have to click on your pen tools and make sure it snaps and be in line with this particular midpoint rectangle. Okay, so once you are able to achieve that, the next step you have to take is to look for your Smart Fit tools. From the bottom here, select your Smart Fit tools. Having selected your Smart Fit tools, so you need to fill in this page. Once you are able to fill this page, you have to select on the original shape, press Delete key on your keyboard, select the stroke, delete, and select the large shape also and delete. Next thing you have to do is to select the center page shape, which is the small rectangle. Then you have to drag your ruler vertical and horizontal and snap to the center point. Good. Once you're able to do that, you have to come back to the shape right here, and then you have to come to color palette here. Make sure you unfill. So when you unfill, this allows this shape to be invisible. Then you have to come back to the shape again. Right click on the color of your choice and you have it in the shape. Next step you have to take is to fall back to the shape. Just tap once, then this allows you to bring out the rotation pin. Drag the rotation pin and snap to the center of the shape. So you can confirm back and click once again. It means that you are able to snap to the center. Now, next thing you have to do is to come right here and press down Ctrl key and drag just to make a duplicate. and place with your right click. Once you're able to place with your right click, you're going to have something like this. Then press Ctrl+R to make a perfect duplicate around the shape. Once you get to this point, next thing you need to do is to make sure you go back to your Fit Tools, Smart Fit Tools, come down below right here and choose your Smart Fit Tools. Having selected your Smart Fit Tools, you have to fit some of the area like this. You fill this and you fill this. You fill this, you fill this, you fill this, you fill this. Once you're able to fill, you have to press Shift key and select the small shape and make sure you choose Word. In this regard, you can change the color to whatever color of your choice. So we are able to have this shape right here. So you can select on this again, press Shift key and select the small shape, then Word. You can also change this color to whatever color of your choice. Then select this and then press Shift key and select the small shape, click on Word. Then you can also change to color of your choice, Shift key and select the small shape, press Word. You can also change to color of your choice. Once you're able to get to this point, you have to select Shift key and select the shape, Shift key and select the shape, Shift key and select the shape, and drag it out. You have your shape, logo shape. Okay, then you can easily group everything in one page, in one shape. Come to the Home tab right here and click on Group. With that, you can fall back to the shape and select all the shape right here and press the Delete key on your keyboard. Next thing you have to do is to fall back to your logo shape, press P onto this. Allow you to center your logo into the main point of the Corel. Next thing you have to do is to ungroup all the shape. Come to the Home tab here and click on Group. Once you get to this point here, this is now time for you to apply your gradient tools into this logo. Then you'll be able to have the right looking of a logo you are looking for. So next thing you have to do is to select this shape, and you have to go to your Smart Fit here and make sure you select your Interactive Fit Tools. Interactive Fit Tools is also known as gradient tools in Corel. Next thing you have to do is to apply fonting. Once you apply the fonting, I have the gradient already that I'm going to use. I will just click and copy from here. Boom. And I will select on this also. I will choose copy from here. Boom. Then I will select on this also. I will choose copy from here. Boom. And I will choose copy and boom. So with that, Ctrl- to zoom in. So I can select on everything right now and come to the Home tab right here, Group. So once you are able to group, then you can just click once. This allows you to bring a rotation pane. Then you can come to the Home tab here and rotate to 90 degree. Sorry, to Z, rotate to 45 degree. With that, you can come back to your logo, Shift key and drag. This allows you to resize your logo to whatever size of your choice. Now, next thing you have to do is to select the ruler and then press Delete. Select the second ruler and press Delete. Finally, you can add a background effect to your logo. For you to do that, you have to come to the toolbar here, double click on the rectangle tools. This allows you to create a perfect page border. Then you can come to the color here, fill in with whatever color of your choice. You can come down below here and right click on it to remove the page stroke. Now you want to add a shade or a drop shadow to your logo. All you have to do is to go back to your shape tools here, select your rectangle tools. Once you select your rectangle tools, then just draw your perfect rectangle. Then you have to fall back to your toolbar here again and make sure you look for your Interactive Fit Tools this time around. Once you select your Interactive Fit Tools, go back to your Home tab here. Make sure you click on Fonting. From Fonting, make sure you change it to Elliptical Fonting Fill. With that, you have it in this way. You can press Shift key and make it expand. Then next, you have to come to your color palette down below right here. Right click on it to remove the stroke. Next thing you have to do here is to go to bitmap from the home tab here. Click on convert to bitmap. Make sure everything is 300 pixels and click on OK. Next thing you want to do right here is to go to your effects and then make sure you look for blur. From blur, choose Gaussian blur. Right now, you need to control how you want your blur effect to be on your logo and click on OK once you are satisfied. Then select the shape, select the shadow, Shift key and select the logo, press C to center. Then you can easily tap the shadow and make it close to logo. Then right click on the shadow, go to order and back of page. Select the background shape, right click, order, back of page. With that, you are able to add different kind of effects to the background of your logo. So this is how you can create a professional logo using your corelDRAW in step-by-step tutorial without any stress. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.